Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the flight status on the EVA Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should click on the flight in the middle of the screen on the right side. You have three options. You can either select or search for a flight by the route, typing in the departure and destination into this from and to section, then add the date and click on the search button down below. And you can also search by the flight number, which is the second option at the top of the screen. So here you can see the results. So if you would like to search by the flight number, click on the second option at the top, and then you should input the flight number. And then select the departure date and click on the search button down below. And here you will be able to find the results. Then you can also select the third option, where you can set the airport, then the date, and the departure and arrival time. Then click on the search button down below, and in a few seconds you can check out the status of your selected flight. So here you will be able to see it. As you tap on it, you can get more information about it. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.